Hey guys, let's learn how to play Raga of Revenge music. So this one is an easy tutorial. So if you want to play this on original scale, you guys must use F natural scale flute. Today I'm using my C scale because this one is an easy tutorial. Okay, so let's learn how to play the lines. So first line goes like, all notes are Shuddha notes, no any sharp flat notes. Okay, every notes are natural notes. First line, Gama pasani dhani padha, Gama pasani dhani padha, Gama pasani dhani padha. Second line goes like, Gama pasani dhani pa ni. Okay, second time, Gama pasani dhani pa ni. Okay, so third line, Gama pasani dhani pa. Once again, Gama pasani dhani pa, and then it's slightly like we are using gamak. Okay, so re sa sa sa, so sa sa re. Okay, sa sa re. When I sing sa, I come from re, like sa sa re, sa sa re, then ni ni dha. Sa sa re ni ni da, sa sa re ni ni da. Okay, play it like gamak. And then last line, pa sa ni dha pa ma ga, pa sa ni dha pa ma ga. Okay, let's play one more time.